In a land where shadows whisper and twilight never fades, a kingdom lost in darkness where doom and fear pervades. The air is filled with sorrow, the sky a void of night. In this dark fantasy, there's no escape inside. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. Wandering through the wasteland where shadows glow and light, cursed by ancient evils, by my endless night. The moon is but a specter, the stars are cold and dead. In this dark fantasy, where only fear is fed. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. No heroes in the shadows, no light to pierce the gloom. In this twisted soul, we're marching to our doom. Every step is haunted, every breath a sigh. In this dark kingdom, even hope can die. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. Now the darkness deepens, and the final chapter nears. In the cell of sorrow, we face our deepest fears. In the end we're shadows, lost to doom's embrace. In this dark fantasy, we vanish without trace. darkness, we're bound by endless pain. Tales of sorrow, lasting shadows deep. In this dark fantasy where lost souls weep. Nightfall reigns eternal, hope is but a ghost. In this world of darkness, we pay the highest cost. In this world of darkness, we pay the highest cost. As the shadows deepen and the final pages turned, in this tale of sorrow, all our bridges burned. In the end we're echoes fading into night. In this dark fantasy we vanish from the light. A kingdom wrought with darkness, where light has gone astray. Demons whisper secrets in a language cold and grim. In this darkened fantasy, the hope of life grows dim. Shadows of hell, where nightmares dwell. In this dark fantasy, we're under a spell, lost within the echoes of a world that fell. In the heart of darkness, we hear the tolling bell. Through the haunted forest, where the dead forever roam, spirits wail in sorrow. In this place we call our home. The sky is painted crimson with the blood of fallen dreams. In this hellish fantasy, nothing's as it seems. Shadows of hell, where nightmares dwell. In this dark fantasy, we're under a spell, lost within the echoes of a world that fell. In the heart of darkness, we hear the tolling bell. Forests, where the damned forever roam, spirits wail in sorrow. In this place we call our home. The sky is painted crimson with the blood of fallen trees. In this hellish fantasy, nothing's as it seems. No salvation in the darkness, no dawn to break that curse. In this world of shadows, things only get worse. Every path leads deeper into the abyss we tread. In this dark fantasy, we're walking with the dead. Shadows of hell, where nightmares dwell. In this dark fantasy, we're under a spell, lost within the echoes of a world that fell. In the heart of darkness, we hear the tolling bell. Shadows deepen and the final light is slain. In this hellish story, we endure eternal pain. In the end we're phantoms, lost in hell's embrace. In this dark fantasy, we vanish without trace. We vanish without trace. You can't love despair, where the black rose the moons, shadows weave their stories under blood red moons. Rose blooms, shadows weave their stories under blood red moons. that's seldom seen. The battles hold our secrets in the velvet black embrace. In this realm of shadows, we must our saving grace. Black rose shadows, where nightmares ride. In this dark fantasy, we struggle to survive. Lost within the echoes of a world gone cold. In the heart of darkness, stories left untold. Where the thorns are sharp and keen, walking through the twilight in a land that's seldom seen. The battles hold our secrets in the velvet black embrace. In this realm of shadows, we must our saving grace. Black rose shadows, where nightmares ride. In this dark fantasy, we struggle to survive. Lost within the echoes of a world gone cold. In the heart of darkness, stories left untold. As shadows deepen and the battles start to fall, in this tale of sorrow, we are bound by fate's call. In the end, we'll whispers fading into night. In this dark fantasy, we vanish from the light. And darkness reigns, and shadows whisper lies. Black rain falls from the heavens, where every hope dies. A kingdom dressed in sorrow, where blood flows like a stream. In this dark fantasy, nothing's as it seems. Black rain of blood, cascading from the skies. In this realm of shadows, where every dream dies. Lost within the darkness, when nightmares come alive. In this world of fantasy, we struggle to survive. Through the forest of despair, where the crimson rivers flow, the grounds of with betrayal, where seeds of sorrow glow. The night is filled with whispers, the wind of mournful sigh. In this hellish fantasy, even angels cry. Black rain of blood, cascading from the skies. In this realm of shadows, where every dream dies. Lost within the darkness, when nightmares come alive. In this world of fantasy, we struggle to survive. Through the forest of despair, where the crimson rivers flow, the clouds of with betrayal, where seeds of sorrow grow. The night is filled with whispers, the wind of mournful sigh. In this hellish fantasy, even angels cry. Black rain of blood, cascading from the skies. In this realm of shadows, where every dream dies. Lost within the darkness, where nightmares come alive. In this world of fantasy, we struggle to survive. No light to pierce the blackness, no dawn to end the night. In this twisted story, we've lost the will to fight. Every step is haunted, every breath a plea. In this dark fantasy, we're never truly free. Black rain of blood, cascading from the skies. In this realm of shadows, where every dream dies. Lost within the darkness, where nightmares come alive. falls and the blood begins to dry. In this tale of sorrow, we're left to wonder why. In the end we're shadows, fading into blue. In this dark fantasy, we march towards our doom. Where shadows linger and twilight veils the land. Tears of blood fall gently from eyes that cannot stand. The pain and sorrow woven in the fabric of the night. In this dark fantasy, nothing ever feels right. Tears of blood falling from the sky. In this land of darkness, where every hope must die. Lost within the shadows, where dreams are torn apart. In this world of fantasy, we wear a bleeding heart. Through forests filled with whispers, where spirits roam in pain. The ground is stained with sorrow from the endless crimson rain. Every step is haunted, every breath a sigh. In this darkened kingdom, even angels cry. Tears of blood falling from the sky. In this land of darkness, where every hope must die. Lost within the shadows, where dreams are torn apart. In this world of fantasy, we wear a bleeding heart. Fuse or break the darkness, no light to heal the scars. In this realm of shadows, we're lost among the stars. Every tear memory, every drop a scream. In this twisted nightmare, nothing's as it seems. Tears of blood falling from the sky. In this land of darkness, where every hope must die. Lost within the shadows, where dreams are torn apart. In this world of fantasy, we wear a bleeding heart. Deeper and the tears begin to dry. In this tale of sorrow, we are left to wonder why. In the end, we're shadows fading with the light. In this dark fantasy, we vanish into night.